In the early days of personal computers, creating professional-looking documents was surprisingly difficult. If you wanted a newsletter, brochure, or magazine in the 1970s and early 1980s, you typically typed the text on a typewriter and then physically cut and pasted it onto a layout board. Photos, headlines, and columns were assembled by hand before being sent to a print shop. Everything changed in 1985. That year, Apple introduced the LaserWriter printer. Adobe introduced PostScript, and Aldus released PageMaker for the Macintosh. Together they launched what became known as Desktop Publish It. For the first time, ordinary people could design and print documents that looked professionally typeset without needing expensive equipment. As IBM PCs became more popular, desktop publishing software began appearing for DOS systems as well. One of the most interesting approaches came from Digital Research's GEM graphical environment. GEM brought Windows, icons, menus, and a mouse-driven interface to DOS long before Microsoft became commonplace. For many users, GEM provided the first taste of a modern graphical desktop. Building on an environment, Timeworks released Publish It, an affordable desktop publishing package aimed at home users, clubs, schools, churches, and small businesses. Unlike expensive professional systems, Publish It was designed to be approachable. Users could combine text, graphics, headlines, and page layouts using a visual interface that felt remarkably advanced for the time. Today, the term desktop publishing has largely disappeared. Modern word processors, websites, social media, and PDF tools have absorbed many of the features that once seemed revolutionary. But in the late 1980s, software like Publish It represented the future. It gave ordinary computer users the power to create newsletters, flyers, brochures, and magazines that only a few years earlier would have required professional typesetting equipment. And that's exactly what we're about to install and explore today.